Insulin resistance is one of the reasons behind lifestyle disorders such as PCOS, diabetes, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. It's one of the major hormone imbalance disorders that affects men and women alike. Insulin resistance presents itself with multiple health symptoms related to poor metabolism, inability to lose weight, reproductive health issues, and inflammation across the whole body. While it may sound like a complex problem, it comes back to the very basics of how our body operates and how our body functions should respond to this primary digestive system hormone, which is insulin. In Ayurveda, insulin resistance can be related to an imbalance in the three dosha, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. And when you start incorporating a diet and lifestyle that helps you balance out the dosha, then you will be able to start seeing results of a balanced insulin response. So let's go through the diet and lifestyle that you can start with to improve your body's insulin response and start better managing your blood sugar levels. Let's check it out. Number 1, be physically active. This doesn't mean that you have to spend hours carrying out physical workout, but you just need to get started and be physically active. A simple act of going for 30 minutes of morning walk can do wonders. And did you know that regular physical activity stimulates the response of our body's cells to insulin? They become more sensitive, and exercise also stimulates pancreatic production of insulin. Hence, it helps you in both ways to increase the production of insulin by pancreas as well as to improve the insulin sensitivity of your body tissues. So start moving. Number 2 is to improve your diet by consuming wholesome natural foods and those rich in complex carbohydrates such as fresh vegetables, grains, beans, and lentils. Quit consuming highly processed foods, sugar, soda, because these foods not only provide you with empty calories, they also degrade your body's insulin response. Number 3 is to start sleeping well and take about 6 to 8 hours of good quality nightly sleep. Staying up beyond 10 pm disturbs all three dosha in Ayurveda, and this sets ground for poor hormone response, including insulin. Less sleep also aggravates your body's stress levels, thus increasing cortisol in your body, which further suppresses your insulin sensitivity and decreases the amount of insulin released by the pancreas. So start clocking in sufficient sleep and start calling it a day at around 10 pm so that your insulin response starts to fall in place. Number 4 is to manage your stress levels by conducting breathing exercises, meditation, and other thoughtful practices which help you relax. So stress introduces necessary cortisol in the body. High cortisol levels suppress immune response of the body, lead to poor metabolism so that all the energy can be diverted to the emergency situation reaction, and it also jeopardizes the functioning of insulin. When you are undergoing chronic stress, then you will keep piling up this energy, thus increasing your weight, reducing your insulin response, and hence making the problem of weight loss even worse. Number 5 is fasting. Fasting has tremendous benefits to improve your insulin sensitivity. This is because it addresses the root cause of the problem, which is high blood glucose levels. Whenever you eat, your body releases insulin to take care of the blood glucose that will go high because of the food that you have just ingested. And when you keep eating at short intervals, then that insulin stays high. It is not able to absorb all the glucose that will be released. As a result, you have high insulin levels as well as high blood glucose levels. And this leads to a situation where your body starts to stop responding to the insulin which is being released on continuous basis. And that is also the cause behind insulin resistance. But when you actually start to give your body a break from food and only eat at regular intervals, which is specific times of the day rather than grazing throughout the day, then you give your body a chance to absorb the extra insulin and also put the glucose in a better place wherever it is needed rather than getting stranded here and there throughout the body. And this gives a good ground to better manage both the blood sugar levels and the insulin response. Now, there are a lot of Ayurvedic herbs and foods which actually help you to increase your body's insulin response. Some of the foods and herbs are provided in the list. Have a look through this and start including them in your daily meals. These herbs and foods not only improve your body's insulin sensitivity, but they also provide you with lots of micronutrients that you need to keep your nutrition levels optimal. The symptoms of insulin resistance are scary, and the long-term impact of having poor insulin sensitivity can leave lasting damage on your body. But the solution is not far from your reach. Tend your insulin resistance by making suitable changes in your diet and lifestyle. Make your health a priority and get started. I hope you found this useful. Do write to me for any queries and I'll get back. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.